Welcome to the 10-Minute Talent Take presented by HRKyle Services. In this series, we spotlight talented job seekers ready to bring their skills, experience, and energy to new opportunities. Each guest shares who they are, what they're looking for, and why they would be a valuable addition to your team, all in just 10 minutes. Let's get started with today's featured guest.
Well, here we are, another 10-minute talent take. Today we have Tim on the clock. Tim, welcome to 10-minute talent take. Let's get right into it. First, Tim, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Sure, Kyle. I'm Tim Gregory. I'm a chemical engineer with over 25 years experience in industry, particularly manufacturing, also regulatory affairs, safety, health, compliance. I've been involved in a variety of industries that the chemical sector meets, such as automotive, food, medical devices, aerospace, coatings, adhesives, consumer products, pesticides, biocides on a global scale. I've done that for many years, and it's a really exciting field to me. It combines my engineering knowledge and then how to apply these regulations to a certain operation, whether those regulations are safety, environmental, regulatory affairs, food, medical device, pharmaceutical. Those are all. It's a very interesting space, and it's kind of Wild West in some areas. And I've done that on a global scale for 25 plus years. So it's a very, very exciting field. So that's a little bit about me.
Okay.
Some of the corporations I've worked for are BASF, Eastman, Trinity Consultants.
Wonderful. Good intro, Tim. Next question. What type of job or jobs are you looking for?
Sure. Kyle, with my experience, I really think I can help companies in their regulated space, and whether that regulated space is OSHA, safety, FDA, a combination of those, consumer products, EPA, also global regulations in those fields also. So I'm looking for a more senior level position, senior manager, director type level that has multi-site responsibilities, maybe some international space too. Those are types of opportunities I'm looking for at this time.
Okay, wonderful, Tim. And folks, as you can see, Tim is in an area where there is a lot of risk to your organization, and he has a tremendous amount of expertise there. Tim, last question, and I've given you a good lead in there. Why should an employer hire you?
Sure. Great question, Kyle. Yeah, employers should hire me because I have seen a lot of different manufacturing operations and a lot of different regulatory schemes and compliance schemes to those. And even if it's in a different market segment, you might be in automotive, but there might be something in the food space like, hey, that's a really good idea, and that'll help you. And I've seen all those types of things throughout my career, and I really enjoy taking those regulations and doing two things: make sure your company avoids risk, but also a little known factor of a good compliance strategy is if you're on top of your game with compliance, you could have a competitive advantage over your competitors who are either caught flat-footed in any kind of regulated space. And it doesn't matter if it's food, medical devices, pharmaceutical, environmental, health and safety. If you're on the lagging edge on that, you're going to be caught flat-footed, and there will be some business, not only risks but also competitive issues that you might have if you weren't out leading in those areas. And that's why companies should hire that. I've seen that. I've adopted that time and time again over my career, and I've seen it work very, very well and give you a competitive advantage, either in a new product or a new process, while everyone else is catching up.
Awesome. Folks, this is Tim. This is how you get in touch with Tim. You reach out to us, and we will put you in contact with this gentleman. He is an expert in his field, and he is a thought leader, so let's get him into his next role. Thank you for tuning in.
Thank you, Kyle.
Thank you for watching the 10-Minute Talent Take presented by HRKyle Services. To connect with today's featured candidate or to learn more about how HRKyle Services can support your hiring and leadership needs, please call us directly at 330-541-5533. We look forward to helping you find the right talent and build stronger teams. This has been the 10-Minute Talent Take, where opportunity meets talent.